Hey guys, check it out. The Syma X21, the living legend. Let's take off with this thing. I'm not even sure how to do it. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, look at this thing, still going strong. Whoa. Awesome. Boy, I haven't had this out in a few years. It's classic. This thing was always one of my favorites. That's why I still got it. Okay. Look at this thing zip around, man. Wow, holy cow. Man, this thing is still great. Holy tamale. Can't beat it, man. You can't beat it. Look at that. Still solid as can be. Now, I don't even remember how to do the flips or nothing like that. Let me see what some of this stuff does here. Nope. Oh, here it is. Here it is. There it is. There it goes. Okay. The flip button is by the takeoff button. This thing is old as hell. And so is the battery. It's still going though. Wow. What a great little quadcopter this was. I had to wind up throwing my Syma X20 away because the battery died finally, because that had the internal battery. You know, this one you could buy, you know, you could buy more batteries for it. But yeah, this one you could buy the batteries, but the other one, the X20, you couldn't. It had the internal battery in there. Wow, what a great little quadcopter, guys. What a great little quadcopter. Let's see if the takeoff and land button's the same. Let's land it up. That was a pretty good catch. Not one of my best, but it was pretty good. All right, guys, there it was, the Syma X21. Wow, it's still great, man. It's still great. It's still a lot of fun. All right, guys, have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.